If your car or truck was damaged near Huntsville, Texas in January's hailstorm, Elite Hail Systems has you covered. An award-winning company, voted best of the best in 14 cities for the last 4 years straight, Elite has come to the area with an almost too good to be true offer. If you're in or near the Huntsville, Texas area, and have hail damage, this is your lucky day. Not only will we take care of you right away with flawless paintless dent repair, but for a short time we'll actually cover your costs for you. That's right, we'll pay your deductible up to $1,000 and for a rental car so you can get around while we fix up your ride. We'll even handle all the insurance headaches, and you pay nothing. No need to put this off. Just give us a call today at 936-222-0068 or visit EliteHailHuntsville.com. Check out our reviews and book your appointment online. Talk soon.